Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a hopeful, calm, meaningful story about new beginnings. There was a boy named Zion. Zion made many mistakes in his life. Sometimes he felt sad about his past. He often thought, I did wrong things. I lost many chances. It is too late for me. Because of these thoughts, he stopped trying. One morning, Zion woke up early. He went outside. The sky was soft and orange. The sun was rising slowly. His grandfather was sitting there, watching the sunrise. Zion asked softly, Grandfather, why do you watch the sunrise every day? His grandfather smiled gently and said, Because every sunrise says something. Zion looked confused. His grandfather said, It says, today is a new chance. Yesterday is gone. Today is fresh. Every morning, life gives us another opportunity. Zion listened quietly. He looked at the rising sun. He felt calm. He whispered, So, I can start again. His grandfather smiled and said, Yes, you can start today. You can change today. You can try again today. From that day, Zion stopped living in the past. He focused on each new day, each new morning. He took small steps. He made better choices. Slowly, his life improved. Because every day is a new chance to grow. Final message, my friends. This story is for you too. Do not feel stuck in yesterday. Today is a new opportunity. Wake up, smile, start again. Ending line, thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep moving forward. And always remember, every day is a new beginning.